5 ways to control your thoughts. Today, we're going to talk about word replacement. As we said yesterday, you can use the words cancel, cancel to identify and eliminate negative thoughts. Remember, a negative thought is anything that does not serve us and help us grow. The second way to control our thoughts is to replace those negative thoughts with a positive one. For example, if I drive to the store and get stopped at a red light every time I pass a corner, for example, and I say, oh, this light's always red when I come to it, that's a limiting belief. You want to say cancel, cancel to that thought and replace it with something like, this light is always green when I pass by, or this light is always green when I come to this corner. If you start doing that and you start replacing it with a positive thought, you'll gradually change those old limiting beliefs and turn them into something more positive. It'll start to be green more times than it's red as you pass by this corner more often. Do this for all your negative thoughts. Just like going to the gym, if you go only once, it will not see an improvement. If you go regularly, you'll start to see improvement and change over time. Consciously take control of your thoughts and become happier and more successful.